in terms of the will, you mentioned before, Sheikh, could you kindly remind us the importance of the spiritual will where the deceased might be sinned if he didn't advise his family who might do bid'ah or do something which is not
Prophet
prescribed?
ﷺ, he said, إِنَّ الْمَيِّتَ لَا يُعَذَّبُ بِبُكَاءِ الْحَيِّ. Verily, the person who's dead, he will be punished because of the wailing of his family, the one who's alive. It means here, well, we know that Allah Azza wa Jal, He says, وَلَا تَزِرُ وَازِرَةٌ وِزْرَ أُخْرَى. Nobody's going to incur the sin of somebody else. That's true. You did something wrong. What's got to do with me? So why is this person who is punished because of somebody is wailing and he's not from his, it's not his problem? They said this is basically, it means that if a person, which is a question is asking, if a person who knows from his people after his death, they're going to be doing all sorts of bid'ahs, yet he did not give a hint or point out that I'm not allowing this to happen, to take place after my death, and I got nothing to do with that, then if they had to be wailing and all of that, it's not going to reach him. But if he did not admonish them, he knows it's going to happen. Like a person who embraces Islam, and he knows that if he dies, he will be in the hands of the non-Muslim family of his, are going to give him a non-Muslim funeral, he should put that in a will, or put that with a solicitor that I want to be buried according to the Islamic teaching. Otherwise, he's going to be punished for not doing that. You do yourself the immunity, and after that, you leave everything to Allah. But if you don't, then you'll be punished for that. That's what the question is all about.